So, what is a React, and why exactly would you use it? Well, if we visit the official web page, React.dev, we get an answer. It's a library for web and native user interfaces. So, put in other words, React is a library for building user interfaces. That's what React is all about. And as it turns out, it is a JavaScript library for building user interfaces. But that, of course, still doesn't answer the other question. Why would you use it? And the answer can be found if you visit the webpage that uses React, like for example Netflix. As you navigate around on such a website, you will see that all these transitions super smooth and pretty much instant. And you will never have this effect where you seem to load a new page, where you seem to wait for a new page to be sent back by the server. To some extent, it therefore feels like a mobile app. Because in mobile app, getting instant feedback and having a smooth transition is pretty much the standard. And it's library like React that help us to build such a user experiences, such a user interfaces for the web as well. Because React, since the JavaScript library, uses JavaScript in the browser to update the page and the user interface we see on that page without reloading the page. JavaScript can do that. Because JavaScript in the end runs kind of in the background of website, and JavaScript is able to read and manipulate the web page after it was loaded. So JavaScript can, for example, make sure that I click on the movie tab, it pasted the movie data behind the scene in the background without reloading or leaving the page, and then updates what I see on the screen with that movie's data, leading to the smooth transition between these pages. But wait a second, since this is all JavaScript in the end, why do we need this React library for JavaScript? Because, as you will see in the next lecture, where I will compare using just JavaScript to using library like React. Working with just JavaScript, of course, is an option, but it isn't a great one. It's cumbersome. It means more work for you. It can be more error prone, and especially if you're building more complex user interfaces and in more complex applications like this Netflix web app, and then using just vanilla JavaScript. So without any library like React would be just a huge pain and won't be very realistic option, to be honest.